Hello, I'm Laurie, Chief Investment Officer at Altair Advisers. Today I'm going to share some brief takeaways from our quarterly commentary during what has been a very difficult period for markets. The Federal Reserve raised short-term interest rates by a half percentage point in May, the first time in 22 years it has hiked rates by that much. It's also moving to reduce its nearly $9 trillion balance sheet. This aggressive tightening after 2 years of heavy monetary and fiscal stimulus is painful, but the economy has shown resiliency, held up by strong corporate and consumer health and a robust job market. Certainly the economy will slow down. Given its strength, however, we believe a recession is unlikely this year. The inflation rate has risen to a 4-decade high, forcing the Fed to act and putting pressure on consumers, companies, and markets. Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the lingering effects of the pandemic have worsened the outlook when price increases will moderate. We expect inflation to remain uncomfortably high through the rest of the year. The Fed's efforts to fight inflation and an eventual loosening of supply chain bottlenecks should result in a much improved situation by year-end. But inflation has no chance of returning anywhere near the Fed's 2% sweet spot before year-end. A rare slump in both stocks and bonds has made for a very disappointing 2022 so far. While stocks are likely to experience more bouts with above normal volatility this year, we expect them to resume their upward path over time. The S&P 500 has risen in 10 of 13 rising rate cycles dating back to 1960. Bonds have had a historically poor year, in part because the market has quickly priced in most of the anticipated Fed rate hikes. We are committed to maintaining portfolio diversification and even further diversifying client portfolios in this changing environment, like adding investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds. We are confident that the risk of a recession in 2022 is low, but the fear will linger for some time. We believe a solid and resilient economy will carry us through this challenging period. The economy is stronger than markets are suggesting. You can find our full commentary on Altair's website. Thank you for watching.